As the first light of dawn pierces the horizon, we begin our journey towards wisdom. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts, and so we tread carefully, cultivating thoughts that uplift and inspire. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. In the face of adversity, we find our true strength. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Embracing challenges, we grow and evolve. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. This humility opens the door to endless learning. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. Acknowledging our limits, we expand our horizons. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Our inner world shapes our outer reality. It always seems impossible until it's done. With perseverance, we achieve the extraordinary. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Compassion is our greatest legacy. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each step, no matter how small, takes us closer to our destination. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. In persistence, we find our courage. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. Through patience, we transform our reality. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Unity magnifies our strength. The time is always right to do what is right. Integrity guides our every action. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Habits shape our destiny. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Through imagination, we create new realities. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. Action transforms intention into reality. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Happiness is our true north. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. In adaptation, we find resilience. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Confidence bridges the gap between dreams and reality. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Every moment is an opportunity for positive change. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Dreams light our path forward. The greater danger for most of us lies not in setting our aim too high and falling short, but in setting our aim too low and achieving our mark. Aim high, reach beyond. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Love is the essence of a fulfilling life. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Life itself is the greatest gift. As we conclude this journey, let us carry these words of wisdom in our hearts, guiding us towards a life of purpose, love, and endless possibilities. Embrace the wisdom, live the journey.